Hey, drop the pole. Drop the pole. Taser. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Go. Get on the ground.
A violent prowler breaks into apartments in the middle of the night, smashing windows and terrorizing residents. Moments later, Los Angeles police officers arrive at the scene and encounter a man armed with a metal pole on the second floor of the building. Officers give repeated commands for the suspect to drop the weapon. A taser is deployed, but it has no effect. Instead of surrendering, the suspect advances toward the officers. Seconds later, gunfire erupts. Tonight we examine the officer-involved shooting involving 39-year-old Edgar Ramirez and the events that unfolded during this dangerous late-night call in Los Angeles.
LA City 911, operator 217.
Hi, I just wanted to call. I had somebody break into my apartment.
He white, black, Hispanic, Asian.
He looks Hispanic. He's wearing black shorts, red shirt, longish hair to like his shoulders. Has a tattoo on the right eye. Oh my God! Do you hear that? He's upstairs. He's knocking windows. Oh my God, he's upstairs, dude. He's upstairs. He's upstairs.
Is he on the second floor now?
Hold up. Hey, hold up, partner. Hold up. Guys, hold up. 21 seconds. Can you go back for 15 now?
Stay inside. Stay inside.
Hey, stay inside. Where is he?
Second floor.
Hey, be advised. We're gonna have it. Hey, hold up. Hey, 29, we're gonna have the suspect on second floor. He's gonna have a bat. He's gonna be breaking out windows. Where is he? Where is he? Dentro? 829, be advised, he made entry into the residence. Hey, he's gonna be inside. We're gonna have victims inside. Hey, what's up? Hey!
¿Dónde está?
What's up, friend? Hey, drop the pole.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Taser. Get on the ground. Go. Get on the ground. Point him. Put it out.
¿En este? Careful with those.
Hey, drop the pole.
Drop it.
Drop the pole.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Taser.
Get on the ground.
Ramirez is struck by gunfire, but continues to resist. Officers struggle to bring him under control as the confrontation continues. As additional officers arrive to assist, Ramirez is finally taken into custody, and the chaotic scene begins to come under control.
Point him. Put it out. Get on the ground. Put it out. I will. Hey, look. I'm not doing nothing, man. What the fuck? Hey, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing nothing, man. Hey, get the beanbag. Get the beanbag. I'm not doing shit. Get the beanbag. Hey, I gotta. Hey, stop resisting. Get it out. Get on the ground. Put it out. I will. Stop fires. I'm going to help. What the fuck? Hey, I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm not doing nothing. Hey, get the beanbag. I'm not doing shit. Hey, come on, man. Hey, stop resisting. Fuck you guys. I'm not doing nothing. Stop it. Hey. Watch out, man. You motherfuckers better get the fuck out of my way. Yeah. Come on, huh? Hey. You gonna feel my pain. No, I'm not doing nothing. Did I resist the way?
Stop! Move it! Stop moving!
What the fuck? I'm not doing shit. That's your army. Fuck this shit. Fuck. I'm not resisting. Hey. I'm not resisting, motherfucker.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not. What the fuck? I'm not resisting, motherfuckers. I'm not resisting.
Can you grab
What
the
the
left
fuck,
arm?
motherfucker? That's it. You guys better get the fuck on me. Okay? I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm not doing nothing. Hey, if I just scared them, motherfucker.
Hey, stop resisting, man. Hey, I got
I'm
one.
not scared of the big one.
One cup on. Where's the
I'm
other
not doing nothing, man.
I got it.
Roll him over. Roll him over.
I got it. Stop it. Hey, beat this bitch
Slow
up.
down, slow down, slow down. Talk to
You
me.
guys are scared?
Guys, hold on. Let me get in the
Move
officer
them
here.
and I'll
You not see?
What do you need?
Are you scared with the big dog one?
What do you need?
Fuck you.
My hair.
I'm not doing shit.
Yeah, we're rolling here.
Fuck you, motherfuckers.
Where is he?
I'm
Where
not
are you?
doing shit. God, you motherfuckers.
Stay on the car.
I'm not doing shit. Hey, you fucking bitch. I'm not doing shit. You fucking bitch. Hey, what's up, bitch? Hey, you motherfucker. You backstabbing ass bitch.
We're hooking. We're hooking. Yeah, we're hooking. Stand by. Stand by. Hey, don't grab my shit.
I want you back to you fucking bitch. You gotta get the fuck away from me. Bitch. Hey, you fucking Watch out. Watch out, motherfucker.
Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. You got mine.
I got it.
You got mine.
You're right here.
Boy, you motherfucker. Watch out. Hey, you fucking bitch. What the fuck is that, motherfucker? Hey,
He's in custody.
He's in custody.
A little further, a little further. Okay.
For the officers involved, this was a rapidly evolving and dangerous encounter inside a residential apartment complex. Residents had already been injured, and officers were forced to make split-second decisions as an armed suspect advanced toward them. Encounters like this illustrate the reality of modern policing. Every day, officers respond to unpredictable and dangerous calls, stepping forward to protect the public and each other. Thankfully, the injured residents received medical treatment. The suspect, 39-year-old Edgar Ramirez, survived the shooting and was transported to a local hospital where he received treatment for his injuries. After being medically cleared, he was taken into custody and booked in connection with the burglary and assault investigation, while the officer-involved shooting remains under official review. During the struggle, one officer sustained minor abrasions, but thankfully no officers suffered serious injuries. Before we wrap up, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. This is Texas Safety Watch. Stay aware, stay safe, and we will see you in the next case.